This is how to make the most succulent chicken, any part of the chicken, restaurant style. Here. I just want to say I get a lot of questions on my chicken. As I was saying, somebody just had to pick up an order. But anyway, the reason why my chicken is so soft, or it's not the same texture that you would get, is because I sous vide it. So I marinate it for about a day, and then I put it in bags and I sous vide it for 4 hours. So it's nice and tender. All the liquid. The cool thing about sous vide cooking is none of the moisture from regular conventional cooking methods, like if you're going to grill it or a pan fry, the moisture gets released. But if you put it into a vacuum bag and then you cook it that way, all the moisture still retains inside. And then we're going to let this cool down, and that's how I sell you my chicken. So this is for specifically the chicken ramen. This is how it comes out. And then I portion it out to 4 ounces per order, and that's how you get it. So just saying, pro tip from me to you, learn how to cook them in bags. It's not like it's bad, but the technique is superior when you're doing it. So again, these are chicken thighs, and if you want the actual recipe, I'll provide it in the link on the description. That way you can do it yourself too. Also the temperature and the time, I'll give that to you as well. Okay, cool. I also forgot to say date them, label them, but it just needs to cool slightly. That way it's not like hot going into the fridge, and then it goes into the fridge.